You can probably name your day rate without thinking. But could you say right now, which of your clients actually pays you the most per hour, how much you're owed today, or what's realistically coming in next month? Those are the numbers that decide whether a freelance practice is just busy or genuinely profitable. The Freelancer Business Manager puts all of them in one workbook. It starts with your rate. The Rate Setup tab takes your overhead, the salary you actually want to draw, and the hours you can honestly bill in a year, which is far fewer than the hours you work, and turns them into your true cost per billable hour. From there, it gives you a defensible rate for an hour, a half day, a full day, or a retainer. You quote with a reason instead of a guess. Then comes the tab that changes how you run your business. The client roster scores every client. Fill each one in once, and it shows you their hours, revenue, what's outstanding, and your effective hourly rate on them. In this example, 2 flat-fee clients that look perfectly fine turn out to pay about $75 and $80 an hour, once every real hour is counted. That's the difference between a client you keep and one you raise, rescope, or let go. Billable work fills this month. The project pipeline fills next month. Every lead, proposal, and negotiation goes in with a value and an honest probability, and the workbook weights them. So you see what's realistically coming, not a fantasy total where every deal lands. When that weighted number gets thin, you feel the slow quarter coming in time to do something about it. If you work on retainer, the retainer tracker is the burn down you've been missing. Enter each retainer's fee and its included hours, and it pulls the hours you actually logged that month, flagging the month over the moment you cross the block. No more quietly giving away a day's work and a fee conversation you can back with a real number. The dashboard rolls it all into a few numbers: active clients, your monthly recurring revenue, your weighted pipeline, the invoices still outstanding, and your blended effective rate against your target. It's the whole practice at a glance, and every figure is computed for you. And it's a file you own, not an app you rent. It sits right between a blank spreadsheet where you build everything yourself and a monthly subscription where your data lives inside someone else's software. Buy it once, keep it forever, and it works in Excel, Google Sheets, and LibreOffice. The Google Sheets version is a one-click copy, no import needed. You get a 7-tab workbook, 5 guides, and printable sheets, preloaded with a worked example you make your own. It's an instant download, and there's a free pricing calculator to try first. Find the Freelancer Business Manager at Ardent Workshop and start running the business, not just the work.